so I'm bald now. So in this video, I'm going to be building a really clean white and black gaming PC on a budget. This PC is going to be listed for sale on our website for $750 with free shipping, so I will leave a link to that down in the description below if you guys are interested in buying it. So let's do an overview of all the parts and get into the build. So starting off, for the motherboard, I went with the ASRock AB350 Pro 4. This is honestly a really nice budget motherboard. It's an AM4 socket. We've got really good VRM and chipset cooling on this thing. We've got 2 NVMe slots for our SSDs, and it has a really good selection of I/O on the back. We've got 2 USB 2.0, that weird old connector. We've got VGA, DVI, HDMI. We've got 5 USB 3.0 ports, USB Type-C, Ethernet, and of course all of our audio ports as well. For RAM, I went with 16 gigabytes of 3000 megahertz Corsair Vengeance LPX RAM. This is just really solid, reliable RAM, and will go really well with our CPU and motherboard. For the graphics card, continuing with the white and black theme, I went with the MSI GTX 1060 6GB. This is a really good pairing with the Ryzen 3 2200G for the least bottleneck, so that you are getting the most performance out of your hardware. And of course this again goes with the white and black theme very well. As far as storage goes, I went with a Kingston 120GB SSD. These things offer just really great and reliable performance. And then I also went with a WD Black 1TB hard drive for games and larger files. For the power supply, I went with an EVGA 500B 80 Plus bronze. These things not only offer great performance, but they are extremely reliable. For the case, I went with a Fractal Design Meshify C in white to stick with that white and black theme, and this also has a tempered glass side panel along with the mesh front panel, so just a really solid case that offers great performance. For cooling the PC, I'm just going with the AMD stock cooler. You really don't need much more than this for the Ryzen 3 2200G. It's not a very power-hungry CPU. And then for fans, I went with 2 black Deepcool 120mm fans and 2 white and black Deepcool 120mm fans. And then just as an extra thing to throw in there to make the PC look a little better, I'm going with white cable extensions, just to again fit in with that white and black theme. With that out of the way, let's begin the build.
You
I'm in Forza Horizon 5. As far as graphics settings go, I have FSR 2.2 enabled on quality. If you didn't know, the 10 series graphics card from NVIDIA does support AMD's FSR, weirdly enough. And then I have the game on the Extreme preset, so the game looks phenomenal. I mean, it just looks really good. All the reflections, we got ray tracing going on, and we're looking like we're getting a solid mid 40s to mid 50s as far as FPS goes in the top right corner there. Game feels very responsive, looks great, and there's no like weird stutters or anything. Everything feels really smooth, and this is a very playable frame rate for this game, and being able to play it on the highest settings is pretty good. So guys, I am super stoked with how this build turned out. It turned out so simple and so clean, and just a really nice black and white theme gaming PC. Again, this PC is listed for sale on our website and on our eBay store, so if you guys are interested, I will leave a link to that down in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.